Close your eyes. That's torture. I want to go. This is torture, bro. I cannot watch because I love it. I love this, but I don't want to watch this. This is literal torture, bro. This is torture. Friend, diba torture? But I love him. I love Jesus. Yeah, but I don't want to watch. If you love Jesus, then just watch it. Watch this if you love Jesus. Yeah, I heard them because I heard I mean, the music is fire, but see, the music is fire. The music is fire, but it's just torture. The music is fire, but torture. It's literal torture, bro. Ikot sila. Ikot sila. Pupunta na naman sila sa rin. Tapos na? Sila alis na. Babalik ba sila? Kit-kit! Mga mama beryan. Ayun kaya mga iyak sa kanya. Ayun kaya mamang mahabang white sa ulo. Ayun kaya yung mga iyak sa kid Papa Jesus. Tapos na? I really wanna pee. Meron pa yan kulay. Why? Pinakamatigas yung kulay.